Welcome back to our channel. We are the World Family Explorers, Chris, Ellie, Logan, and Connor. We left our life in the US behind for a world of adventures, and today we're on a unique culinary adventure in Bohol, Philippines. We are trying balut for the first time. Balut is a popular Filipino delicacy, a fertilized duck egg that's boiled and eaten in the shell. It's known for its rich flavor and cultural significance. Join us as we dive into this intriguing local food experience and share our reactions. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get cracking.
All right, so we're gonna face our fears on a couple items here. We got this beautiful street food here. I've never tried balut, and we're gonna see if Ellie's gonna try it too. She's behind the camera now cringing. So obviously this is something that's very Filipino, so we gotta give it a shot while we're here, right?
All right, and just to explain my fear, balut is typically a duck egg that's like 2 to 3 weeks fertilized, from my understanding. So I don't know you guys. It's supposed to taste like chicken noodle soup, like chicken soup.
Like you suck it out of the egg, right?
Like you're supposed to drink it first, and then you eat the
all right, well, I will get the instructions from the locals how to do it right.
All right, well, let's see.
Well, first let's try. Oh, I wondered there was something licking my leg with this dog. All right, come on, kids.
All right.
Come on, across the street, kids. Come on. Hello. So it's 30 pesos.
We'll try 30 pesos for one.
One little.
Yes, we'll try one. That way we can see if we like it.
We'll see.
We're nervous. We've never tried it.
Oh, she has it
Something new.
under special.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you give instructions how you eat it?
Open this. Crack this. Yeah.
You crack the side and then
Put this salt and head sauce.
Okay, we crack it. Oh, it's hot. Okay, I crack it here?
Yeah.
I'm good at cracking eggs.
Okay. All right.
And then just stick your fingers and open.
Seal.
I peel here?
so you gotta put a little work in.
Okay.
Oh, it's starting to open.
Open.
Okay, how would I do? Keep going?
You drink it.
Yeah.
Wait, am I doing this or are you doing
Go
this?
for it, Ellie. Go
You're
for
doing
it.
this. Go for it,
I
Ellie.
drink.
Yeah. Put
Try one
this
sip.
little bit this.
Oh, you dip it in?
I put some
Oh, you put a
salt.
little bit in.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And then what's the sauce? Is that like a chili or something? Or
Okay, drink.
let me see.
Go.
Let me see. Let me see in here.
Okay.
Okay. There it is.
Okay.
Take a little sip and then have
Go
that.
for it, Mama.
What's so yummy?
How's it taste?
It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
Definitely taste the vinegar.
Let
You don't-
that try.
It tastes like chicken soup.
Yeah.
It really does.
Wait, is it chicken or duck?
Duck.
Duck.
It's duck. Okay.
Okay, Chris, I think you need to try this.
Okay.
Try
It's my turn, huh?
That's a fertilized egg.
Oh, so it's really hot. I didn't know it was gonna be so hot. So I'm gonna say yeah, the membrane does not look very appetizing, but yeah, let's go for it.
Okay. Don't think of what it is.
Egg.
Had a little bit of gag reflexes there, but you're right. It is. It's like chicken noodle soup.
You want to try?
Try. One.
It's fertilized egg.
Do you want to try the broth?
Just try the broth.
Nope, that's okay. He doesn't have to try it.
It's alright. I'm not gonna force him because I had trouble myself.
This is pretty out of the comfort zone for us. But now what do we do? How do we eat this now?
Sting this. Open.
Open?
Yeah, put this.
Okay.
Okay, so now we peel. Remove.
Okay. Let me see.
Oh boy. This is, I think, the hard part.
Okay.
Do the entire thing and then eat the duck.
Oh boy.
That's fertilized egg. Do not forget.
Oh god.
You
Okay.
try it. So yummy.
Is it yummy?
Put this salt.
The salt?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta put the salt on it. Okay.
Okay.
I put this. Are you?
We put this in here?
Oh yeah. If you
Okay.
put the salt and
I would
Okay.
put that on and then put the
And
salt
you
on.
put some of the stuff on. Okay.
And then the vinegar?
yeah.
You dip it?
No, you eat too.
Okay. All right. You're encouraging me. Okay. I don't know if I would be so brave without you.
I would put the salt in the vinegar, so when you get on the
Yes,
vinegar, you also
What's
get
this
salt.
part?
Chick. Baby.
Baby?
Yeah.
You don't eat that part.
Eat.
You
You
eat
do?
some?
Yummy, yeah.
Oh, of course.
I know.
Yeah, you guys. Okay.
Go for it. What do you think, Mama?
It's a very tough egg. It's basically the white of the egg, but it's really, really tough. And then, oh, guys, I don't know about this part. How do you eat this? You just pick it up?
You just eat it, I guess.
You just press it up and throw it in your mouth. Wait, I'll dip it in the broth.
I just want to say I'm proud of you, wife. I'm very proud of you. I would never thought you would have done this, so.
It's actually not bad. It does taste like some chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, a deal's a
I feel
deal.
like I did it. I did it.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank
You
for
earned
the
a Coke to
encouragement.
wash it down with.
Yes.
There's your prize. I guess now I have to do it too since you did. Okay,
Your turn.
my turn.
Your turn.
You didn't eat the
All
broth.
right. Oh, actually, it's pretty good.
Put the other salt. If you like.
More salt?
If you need more salt,
If you need.
Okay, I like salt.
I mean, it tastes like basically an egg.
And I do see a little bit of yolk there too, and some
Yeah.
egg white.
Yeah, it's a duck egg. Quite tough.
Whoa.
Oh gosh. Ah, this is going well.
I got like a chunk or something there that I didn't agree with.
Another.
Oh, it's okay, I think. Okay, so I gotta get some of the baby here.
Okay, Chris. I think you're done. You tried it. I'm proud of you.
All right, you did better than me.
Yeah.
I don't know, I think it's just, it actually tastes good.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just I think the mental, like
Yeah.
thinking about what it is
Yeah, I'm gonna say
and
yes.
the appearance.
Yes,
it's a
it
little
tastes
tough.
good. It's just all mental, like, and when you're looking at it, like, I mean, look at it. It's
It's
not appetizing to look at,
Ooh, I got a
but
little fly over there.
yeah, and you can, doesn't look good, but tastes good.
Yeah, I agree. Thank you so much.
Thank
you
you.
for showing us how.
Yeah, I
Thank
really like
you.
the taste, but for some reason my mind is just like,
So,
it makes me like want to gag a little bit. But I don't think we can finish, unfortunately. But thank you so much. I don't want to offend you, but we couldn't finish it.
Okay, that's okay.
What's your name?
Jubilee.
Oh, nice
Nice
name,
to
very
meet
pretty.
you. You guys, my fingers, I'm like, just touched my nose and I could still smell the balut on my hands.
Yeah.
I had to
So
wash my hands.
no, but really, like it actually
flavor
did.
wasn't
It actually did taste
terrible.
good. It was just the texture
And
and
the-
like the thought of it,
The
I guess.
thought,
Yeah.
And also, it just doesn't look very appetizing, you know?
Yeah.
So it's a little bit tough, I think, for a Westerner that has never had it before.
Yeah.
But I'm really proud of us for trying it. I
Yeah.
don't think it's gonna be a regular thing for us.
It might be our
Balut.
first and last, but
We're proud of ourselves.
I
to
can
try
still
something
see
new.
why if it's your normal, you know, if it's your normal thing in your, you know, in your culture, why you would like it though.
Yeah, the flavor really was not bad. It did taste really like chicken
Yeah.
soup.
And I didn't know it was gonna be like warm. It was like super
It
warm.
was hot. That egg was hot and very easy to peel, surprisingly.
Yeah. But hey, that's what we want to do is we want to travel the world and experience different cultures and new food, and
Yeah.
now we got one checked off our bucket list.
That was a
Ballute.
big one. Ballute.
But stay tuned because we have more videos coming from the Philippines. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video.
We'll see you guys next time.